పనేం లేదు, ఏమన్నా తీసుకెళ్లాల్సినవి ఉంటే తెచ్చి ఇక్కడ పెట్టి చదువుకుంటా అంటున్నా. అంతే తప్పితే పనేం లేదు ఇంకా. Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
How are you guys? We have to start median and mode of the data. Am I right? Correct or not, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So same way. See, whether mean or median or mode, all the data represents central tendency. Mean is mean, median, mode, all are same only. There is no when I'm asking characteristics point of view, what is meant by mean, what is meant by mode, what is meant by median, means all represents central tendency of data. But particular situations, particular kinds of data, if the data is scattered more, sometimes median is accurate central tendency. If the data is repeated many times, particular frequencies is repeated many times, then mode is compulsory. So based on grade 9 standard, how you calculate the median and mode for raw data? How to calculate median, how to calculate the mode for raw data? Anyone can recollect how to calculate mode and median for raw data? Anyone? I'm giving 2 minutes time. Anyone? For raw data, how to calculate these values? You know how to calculate the mean. The mean of raw data is x1 plus x2 plus and so on xn divided by n. This is the calculation of mean. So how to calculate median? Anyone can recollect how to calculate the median? Students, hope you are understanding my question, please. Hope you understood my question. Please let me know how to calculate the median. Anyone can recollect how to calculate the median? Students, please respond. How to calculate the median and mode? Guys, there, everyone? Yeah, Harita almost is correct. If you explain a little bit more, it's good. Durlav, Akshita, Amruta, please respond. Janavi. Students, please, waiting for your answers. How to calculate the median? See, median is simple. We have to follow some steps. Arrange the data either you won't get in your textbook, it will be in 9th standard textbook or 8th standard textbook. In 10th standard it is not there. Either in ascending order or descending order. Either in ascending order or descending order. Suppose if I am having the calculate the median, so there are two cases we will arrive. If number of observations are even, suppose if I am having the observations like this 2, 6, 10, 15, 20, so it's already arranged in ascending order. So the middle one is median. In this case, if the number of observations are odd, the middle observation is median. That means 10 is the median in this case. Suppose if the number of observations are even, suppose if it is 2, 3, 4, 5. So the middle, there are two middle observations. I am writing in red color. I am writing in color. There are two middle observations. So 3 and 4 both are middle observation. So the average of two middle observation n plus 1, sorry, 3 plus 4 by 2 is the answer for the even number of observations case. This is how we will calculate median. How to calculate the mode? Suppose generally mode will be useful if the number of observations are more. 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6. So 2 repeated 3 times, 4 repeated 2 times, 5 repeated 4 times, 6 repeated 1 time. The mode is this one. Which observation have high frequency? Is known as mode. Students, are you clear what is the mean, mode and median now exactly? How to calculate for raw data? Anyone having any doubts, please let me know. Please, students, respond quickly. Harita, Janavi, Amruta, Durlav, many are here. Please, somebody can respond.
No doubt, sir.
Having 2 minutes time.
Sir, can you
Now,
repeat, sir?
if it
Voice
is group,
is for me.
so I'm asking, is there any doubt how to calculate the mean, mode, median for raw data?
Sir, no, sir. Finding median and mode, sir, you had explained till now, right? I did not understand. I mean, I did not hear, sir.
Somebody is asking, sorry, you are not clear so far. Or is my voice is not clear for you so far?
Yes, sir. Now only I am able to hear, sir. Can you please repeat what you taught?
See, I am teaching what we done in grade 9. How to calculate the mean, median and mode for raw data. See, I already told you about mean. So how to calculate the mean? Just add all the observations divided by number of observations. This is the formula we will use for mean. Clear what I'm saying, madam?
Yes, sir.
So this is the formula generally we will use for raw data, and even grouped data also we done. We are having two different methods. How to calculate the assumed mean method and direct method. What is meant by median? How to calculate the median? Median is, suppose if I am having the observations 2, 6, 10, 15 and 20. The median is, first arrange the data either in ascending order or descending order. Find out the middle value. 2, 20, 6, 15. So if the observations are odd observations, so middle one is the median. In this, if the observations are even, suppose if I am having 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 observations. 2, 7, 3, 6. So there are two middle observations. If number of observations are even, you will get two middle observations. The average of two middle observations are known as the average of two middle observations are called median. So this is for how to calculate the median for even number of observations. This is for odd number of observations. It is very simple. Just if odd number is n is an odd number, if n is an odd number, Haritha already told n plus 1 by 2 is the median. N by 2th observation is the median. Suppose 7 observations. So fourth one, 7 plus 1 by 2. Fourth one. First, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 1, 2, 6, 3, 5. So fourth one is the middle one. Suppose if I am having 6 observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 4 by 2 is the answer. That is n by 2 plus n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. So the average of n by 2 means 6 by 3 comma 6 by 3 plus 1. So 3 comma 4. So 3 plus 4 by 2. Third observation is 3, fourth observation is 4. So the average of these two observations is the median. Are you clear, madam? What is the median?
Yes,
For
sir.
a raw data, how to calculate the median? So what is the mode? Mode is which high frequency observations. Which observation have high frequency is known as mode. Suppose this is my raw data. This is my raw data. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So in this raw data, first identify whose observations are 2, 4, 5, 6. 2 repeated 3 times, 4 repeated 2 times, 5 repeated 4 times. Understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So which one is repeated more number of times? Which one is repeated more number of times? 5. So 5. Understand how to calculate the mode for raw data?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Thank you.
Now we have to know how to calculate the mode for grouped data. That means if I am giving a tabular column, how to calculate the mode? Understand what I'm saying? It's very simple. We are having a formula. There is no much discussion about this. Suppose if I am having a data like this, there is no different methods also. There is only one method for mode and median. So it's a cricket match, number of wickets. 0 wickets done by how many players? How many times? There is a bowler. In how many matches he took 0 wickets? That means he didn't take any wicket. So number of matches. So in one match he didn't take even 1 wicket also. In how many matches he took the 1 wicket? So in one match he took only 1 wicket. 2 wickets haul he done in 3 matches. 3 wicket haul he done in 2 matches. 4 wicket haul he done in 1 match. 5 wicket haul he done in 1 match. 6 wicket haul he done in 1 match. So total how many matches he played here? 1, 2, 5, 7, 10. So out of 10 matches, this is the statistics of his bowler. Statistics of the bowler. So total number of matches is equal to 10. Is it clear what I'm saying? Now, if I am asking you to calculate This is the data they will give usually. So if I am giving this table and if I am asking calculate the mode of the data, calculate the mode of the frequency distribution table or mode of this given data and all. If I'm asking like this, how to do? So the formula is mode is equals L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is fixed formula. Derivation and all we will discuss in grade 11. As of now, we will just learn the formula will go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parameters are there. What are these 5 parameters? What are these 5 parameters? That is important. I will write all the 5 parameters here and I will explain content related to the data. Where L is called lower limit of the data, lower limit of modal class, lower limit of modal class. H is called size of the class interval, size of the class interval. But here class interval is not there. It is like a general raw data distribution table, frequency distribution table. So you have to convert the table into some other format now. And that means if the data is like in this format, I can't calculate. So assume all class sizes are same. What is the meaning of class size? I will tell. See, minimum wickets is 0, maximum wicket is 6. Now, F1 is frequency of the modal class. F2 is frequency of the class, frequency of the class preceding to modal class. Preceding, succeeding means you know what is the meaning. Preceding the modal class. F naught is the preceding modal class frequency. F2 is the succeeding modal class frequency. Frequency of succeeding. I will tell you what is all these things. Now, these are the all 5 parameters. Which is having high frequency. So here, high frequency students in this table, which is having high frequency? This is having high frequency. Is here the mode took the 2 wickets many number of times. When compared to other data, he took the 2 wickets many number of times. 0 wicket one time, 1 wicket only one time, 3 wickets 2 times, 4 wickets one time, 5 wickets one time, 6 wickets one time. But 2 wickets he took the 3 times. So his mode is 2 in this case. So it will be easy to calculate data is like this. Suppose if the data is frequency distribution class wise, suppose if there is a data class is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 7 to 9 and 9 to 11. That means the class interval is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is each and 1, 2, 3. How many number? So frequency is 1 to 3, 7 times. 3 to 5, 8 times. 5 to 7, 2 times. 7 to 9, 2 times. 9 to 11, 1 time. My mode formula is what? The mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What is L value? First, you have to decide what is the modal class. How to choose the modal class? What is the meaning of modal class? Modal class means these are 1, 2, 3 is first class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class. How you are dividing the data into different classes between 1 to 3, 7 times. Which is having high frequency? Which class is having high frequency? Is known as modal class. Is it clear, guys? What is the meaning of modal class? What is meant by modal class? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In this, what is a modal class? This is the modal class because 3 to 5 is repeated 8 times. This is my modal class. Agree, everyone? Is everyone
Yes,
will
sir.
agree? So my modal class is so automatically you will get all the data. So what is the L value here? Lower limit of the modal class. L is lower limit of the modal class. It is 3. This is lower, 3 is the lower limit, 5 is the upper limit. Frequency of the modal class. F1 is the frequency of the modal class, 8. This is my F1. What is F2? Sorry, F0. F0 is the frequency of preceding modal class. What is the preceding modal class? 1, 2, 3 is preceding modal class. This is corresponding F0 value. Succeeding modal class is 5 to 7. This is F2 value. Agree? My F0 is 7. Preceding frequency of modal class. F2 is succeeding frequency of modal class 2. So this is succeeding. This is preceding. This is my modal class. So now we got all the values. Substitute the values in the diagram. Sorry, in the formula. So mode will be equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So what is the L value here? 3. 3 plus 8 minus 7 divided by 2 into 8 minus 7 minus 2. And H is how much? H is the difference between lower limit, higher limit and lower limit. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This is common for all the classes. So into 2. Calculate and let me know what is the answer. Mode, that is the mode of this data. Hope you are clear what is the mode of this data. That is only method you are having. Might be if you step into grade 11, you will learn the different methods. If you are clear, please let me know, guys. Please identify what is the value for this question. See, your modal class, your mode is always depends upon your modal class. It is in between 3 and 5. Once you selected the modal class, automatically you got the answer. 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 into 8 is 16. Minus 9 into 2. This will be 3 into 2 by 16 minus 9 is how much, students? 7. So, sorry, 3 plus 7, how many times? 0 0.214 78405. 0.285. So the answer is 3.285 is the mode of the given data. Is it clear? So remembering the formula, identifying the correct parameters is the key for this question. Hope you are clear what I'm saying. Students, hope you are clear what I'm saying. So I won't teach all the things at a day. So today we'll do problems based on mode only. So you will have an idea that day we practice it, then you know what is the modal class. When I'm teaching median, again the same kind of formula will come, different parameters will come. So in single day, if you are trying to learn, you might confuse. Shall I go for one question based on this?
Yes, sir.
The group data, we discussed about the formula, we done one small numerical. So yes, we'll do this numerical. So here we are not going to extend the tables and we are not going to draw excess tables. Just we'll find out, we'll write the formula, we'll identify the formula parameters. How to do this question? If I'm taking the first question, see I'm trying, which is having modal class in first question. What is the modal class in first question? Students, which is the modal class in first question?
35 to
This
45.
is a modal class. So 35 to 45. What is the H value? 10, correct? 45 minus 35. What is the formula for the mode? Mode is equal to L plus, what is the formula, students? What is the formula, madam?
F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H.
So I got H value. So what is F1? What is F0? What is F2? And L is equal to lower limit, that is 35. So what is F1? F1 is what? Frequency of what? F1 is, what is F1? Frequency of modal class, that is 23. F0 is frequency of, so this is F1, this is F0, this is F2. So if we find out the F1, that is easy. F0 is a preceding frequency, F1, F2 is a succeeding frequency. 21, this is F2 is 40. So now we got all the values. Substitute the values and let me know what is the answer. So mode for the first question is L is 35 plus F1 minus F0, 23 minus 21 divided by 2F1. What is the 2F1 value? 2F1 is 46 minus 23 minus 14 into H is 10. This is 35 plus 23 minus 21 is how much? 23 minus 21 is 2 divided by 46 minus 20, 30, 37. 37 into 10. 35 plus 2 divided by 3 plus 6 is 9 into 10. So find out the answer. 35 plus 2 by 9 is how much? 20 by 9. What is the final answer? Students, please solve and let me know what is the final answer. respond. Students, please respond to answer. Anyone got the answer? 6.11. Oh, 6.11. It is 35 plus. Rita, might be it is some other question answer.
Sir, no, sir. Actually, I did the calculation wrong, sir. I'll do it.
The answer is 35. 20 by 9 is approximately 20 by 9 or 20 by 11? 20 by 11, no? 3 plus 6 is 9. Is it 20 by 11 or how much? 21 minus 14. What is the frequency? 21, not 20. 21 this is. 21 minus 14. So 21 minus 40 means 35. 35 means this is 11. So 20 by 11 is 20 by 11 is how much approximately? The answer for 20 by 11 is 1.81. The answer is 36.81. Same as second question also. What is the model class for the second question? I'm writing in red color for the second question. Model class for the second question. This is model class. Yeah. 60 to 80. So H is equal to 20, L is equal to 60. So this is F1, this is so F1 is equal to 61, F2 is equal to 38, F0 is equal to 52. Calculate the students using L plus. What is the answer? F1 minus F1 by 2 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Correct? Yeah. Substitute and let me know what is the answer for this. Guys, please respond. Please respond. So this will be 60 plus 61 minus 52 divided by 2 times F1, 2 times 61 minus 52 minus 61 into H is 20. Yes, a small calculation also you can't do. And just keep on asking. Guys, please complete these two questions and let compare with your answers whether it is correct. Then only I will move to the next question. Simply solving and moving is not, there is no use. Please. The red color is second question. The blue color is first question. Please. Please. I need your response. Once you got the response, then only we can move to the next question. Everyone.
Sir, I got the same answer, sir.
Both the questions?
Yes, sir, got it, sir.
Yeah. Next question. Same. Students, how to do this question? What is the class question? What is the model class for this question? What is the model class? Anyone? Identify which is the big number of families? 40. 40 means?
Sir, 1,500 to 2,000, sir.
So model class is 1,500 to 2,000. So L is equal to 1,500, H is equal to 500. So F1, so this is F1, this is F2, this is F0. F1 is equal to 40, F0 is equal to 24, F2 is equal to 33. So mode will be equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute the values and let me know what is the answer. Please, quick. Guys, constructions video, I requested Raghava sir. He will upload video or he will take the class. So we will start the revision from next class onwards. After the statistics, we'll start the revision of algebra. Is it fine?
Okay, sir.
Anyone got the answer, students, for this question?
Yes, sir, 1,847.83.
1,847.3. How, ma'am?
83.
Correct. 1800 and
47.
47.83. Let's see how we will get the answer. L is how much? 1500 plus F1 minus F0. 40 minus 24 divided by 80 minus 24 minus 33 into H is 500. This is 1500 plus 40 minus 24 is how much? 16. 80 minus 57. 80 minus 57 is 23 into 500. This will be 1500 plus 8000 divided by 23. So 8000 divided by 23 is approximately 347 will come. 340 plus 350 approximately. So I'm taking 25 times 25 force 320. So this is coming 347.82. So 1847.83 approximately she got is the right answer. Let's go to the next question, madam.
Yes, sir. Sir, they have asked mean also.
You already mean in previous question, no? That's the reason I'm doing only mode here. Got it? What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
You try by your own letter. This class we are doing completely mean we already done. That's the reason I'm doing only mode questions.
Okay, sir.
Last class we will do a few questions in a single data. We will do mean, median, mode. For a given single data, we will do all the three things. One question or two questions we will do. So what is the model class here? The model class. This is the model class. This is the model class. 30 to 35. Including which 30. H is equal to 5. So this is your F1, this is your F0, this is your F. So F0 is equal to 9, F1 is equal to 10, F2 is equal to 3. So mode will be equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is equal to 30 plus F1 is how much? 10 minus 9 divided by. Sometimes you will get negative value also. You don't panic. Just proceed whatever the thing you are getting. You never get negative because F1 is the highest of all the frequencies. Sorry, you never get negative. If you are getting negative, that is wrong. So 20 minus 3 into 5. I mean, 30 plus 1 by 9 minus 3 is 12, 8 into 5. So 30 plus 5 by 8 is the final answer. Do it and let me know what is the final answer. So rest of the questions, please try how to do the mode. So I will take after median one question, how to do 3 central tendencies. We will see after discussion of median. Same as median also will do. After discussing the median, I will let you know. I will take particular questions. I will calculate all the 3 things. We will compare the mean, mode, and median now. Anyone got the answer? Is the same answer or any different answer you got? I got the answer is 30.625.
Same answer, sir.
So the mode of the given data is 30.625. 625. It's clear? Yes, students, I am closing the session because very poor response. We will meet in the next class. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.